So hello everyone. Thank you for watching this video first of all. And today we start the two basic things like how to create a floor plan and project and how to create a view templates. The view templates are many types of templates like you create on the 3D view templates like coordination, mechanical, civil, etc. So on. So first of all, floor plan. So as you've seen there are so many floor plans are created already here. So if I'm creating a floor plan, so how to create it? Now this model is floor plan. I'm closing here. Close this, and this is the floor plan 12. Okay, so it is created already. Now created the floor plan. The very basic. To go to the Revit region, the architecture structure. These all are within here. So go to View tab and click the plan view. Okay, so floor plan, there are so many options are here. Area, plan view, plan region, structure plan, selected ceiling plans, floor plan. So now we are creating right now a floor plan. Okay, so click the floor plan, and there's a one more setting, edit type. If you wanted to change the name of the CST working area, whatever you wanted to name, you can here. Okay, so back to this and go to do not duplicate. Okay, so I'm creating the level 12 floor plan. Okay, and click here. The floor plan is created. Actually, this model is very huge project for a Dubai Expo model. So that's why open take a lot of time. But now the floor plan is created. Here. Now this floor plan is created. This is our created floor plan. So how many you have to create many more projects like floor plan like this. Okay. So this is a very basic. If you don't have like this created floor plan, nor a 3D view, nor a printed view. So you can create a floor plan like this, or also you can create a ceiling plan like this. Okay, so this is very basic. Now we are creating the view template. This is very important. And now I'm creating the view template for sheets or view template for uh, project, whatever. So now creating view templates. Here, click here, the view templates. As the option is none option is here. Click on none, and they are already created floor, sorry, view templates here. The fire view templates, drainage view templates. So many view templates are already created here. So now I'm clicking here. If you want to see this view templates file, so where you see now go to the printed view. Now this is uh, view template which is created in this dialog box on dialog box. Okay, so now click here and create a new view template. So I click here and go to duplicate tab and click your name, whatever you want to name, like you create a plumbing, like you create a firefighting, like you create a HVAC. So I'm creating a like option LOR and fire 1/1. Okay, so this is my view template, and then okay, yeah. Then the flow dialog box is open, and this dialog box is nothing but the view scale always custom and the scale value. Whatever you want, you can change this as per your project requirement. Display model is normal, and if you want to change, so you can change half tone, do not display. I will tell you about this all setting, but in this video, will show you only how to create a new templates. So now go to back down and discipline. So discipline is plumbing right now, but if you are creating a HVAC view templates or electrical view template, so you can change this electrical or mechanical. If you are called take a coordination, so you can coordination, but right now plumbing because the fire is comes under the plumbing. Then sub-discipline is fire already. Here, click here if you want to change. If you are creating the floor plan or view templates for HVAC, so you can change and uh, write here HVAC or HVAC, whatever you want. This is a sheet view. If you want to change this sheet view, if you want to working view, you can sheet view section, working view. If you want to create for view, working view, you can click a working view. If you want to create for sheet view, you can sheet view. Now I'm creating for sheet view, so sheet view here. Uh, Now this is a coordination instance of category coordination because this always coordination. Okay, so no change here, and you can check the settings. All are marked here. Now go to the visibility graphics. Now click here. There are so many options here. Like these models are already open in this project. So if you want to, if you are creating a view template for the sheet, so it depend on you. You can change. You can off the structure model or architecture model. Which model, whatever you want to open, you can open this model. And if you don't want to see in the sheet view, you can off this model. So right now I'm off this model, like this is basement model. So don't need basement model here because this sheet view is for the floor plan. So and this level 12 floor plan is not a basement plan. So I'm click here off and this is on. Okay. Now this is the main basic and work set. So work set you can always first close all the work set for. This is for sheet view. I'm telling you the setting for sheet view. So now you are creating a fire uh, view template sheet. So click here open because the fire protection pipe only show on the sheet view. And now the architecture model you can open because when you are giving the dimension or tagging in this model in the sheet. So you're taking a wall for architecture, structure, and shared grids are always open. So now this is okay. And model category annotations, and this is all settings. The curtain ceilings also I have closed there. So there are more settings here. Whatever this is depend on you or depend on your project requirement. What you want to see in this sheet view, you can open, and if you don't want, you can close here. Okay. Now this is now I'm okay here and okay. So now you have. Now this is your sheet view. There are already model are shown here because if you want to off this model, now click here. This model is first for open link. So this model is which model? The model F02902. If you want to close this model, so again go to the view templates and go to the visibility graphics and off this model. So this portion which is not shown in your view sheet. Now the created view templates are shown here. This is our created view templates. If you want to rename this view sheet, you can rename this whatever you want. You can put them like fire 1/1 if you want to take change name. So the name is changed here. And this is your, when you click here, always open this view. So this is a very basic and initial for project setup. Okay. Actually, this is a very huge project. I will tell in the beginning. I'm telling you, it's a very big project. So this is about sheet view. Now you have able to see here only fire pipes are shown here. This is the fire pipe only shown in the project. Only fire pipe, and all services are closed because I'm closing all the work set of the model. If you close the work set of fire also be hide here. So if sheet you're looking sheet and you very nice, very clear, so you can close and open the model and check view sheet view. Okay, there is a one more option for the sheet crop region. When you are creating a sheet view, so this is your crop region. Now you can here and take this. This is a crop region. Only shown model which is in crop model. all the reflecting grids are not showing in the model when you created a crop view region. So this is very basic. Now, if you want to create a sheet only this portion, okay, so you can crop region down this side, okay. If you want to create a sheet only for this portion, you can only, and you can off the model and on and off model which you required and which you are did not require in this. Like this is a wall architecture, wall structure, wall. So this is a very basic orientation and basic interface of Revit and initial for project. So those who are beginner, very good video for beginners creating a view template, because when they're starting a project, the problems comes in this situation, creating a floor plans and view templates. Okay, so thank you watching for this video, and we will come again. Thank you.